In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal payment link so you can easily send customers a link and start accepting payments without needing a complicated website or checkout system. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or just simply need an easy way to get paid online, a PayPal payment link can make the process quick and convenient. So if you do find this video helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Now, there's a couple of ways you can get paid on PayPal. So as you can see, I'm currently logged into my PayPal, and from the dashboard, you can go down the route of creating an invoice. But a much easier and quicker way to do this is once you're logged in, if you come and click onto the gear icon in the top right hand corner, what that's going to do is take you across to your settings. And from here, you want to come up to the top and click onto accounts. Now, if you look in your profile section over here, you're going to see a link which says paypal.me, which is actually a payment link you can create. If you don't have one yet, it's going to say create, but I've already got one. So as you can see, it says manage. Whatever it says, you just want to give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now, from here, you can add things about your account. So your username, location, things like that. And then what you can do is just come and click the small arrow here, which is the share option. So once you've done that, your PayPal Me link is going to be created. And what you can do is just come down and click the copy link button. Once that's done, you can then send that wherever you need to. So if I just paste this into a new tab, once a person clicks the link, it's going to take them to a screen like this. And then they can click onto send, log in with their PayPal account, and then of course pay you using your PayPal payment link. So that's how to create a PayPal payment link. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more PayPal and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.